Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. Today I wanted to share my personal feedback after a month flying with the DJI Flip. So this is one of the most popular drones these days. Key features here is that it is super light and also it captures nice 4K videos. So I'm going to divide this video in two parts. First of all, the things that I like about the DJI Flip, and then we're gonna discuss the things I don't like or even hate in this drone. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's begin. First of all, as you can see on the bottom of the drone, it is ultralight, under 250 grams, 249 grams, which means it doesn't fall in under any regulation. So you don't need to register it in order to fly with this drone, which is an amazing thing. I usually just carry it around when traveling and take awesome 4K videos and amazing pictures with that. I don't have to worry about registering it or any regulations. So that's an awesome thing about this drone. So that's something I really like. Second thing is that you can see right here you have 4 propellers with guards. What this means that under slow speed you can hit objects like walls or something like that, and it's going to protect your propellers, and therefore the drone is most likely not going to fall. But please consider that under higher speeds it's just going to fall. If you hit it, no matter that it has these propeller guards, the drone is just going to fall. Still, it's one of the first drones that I see and use with propeller guards, and it is still under 250 grams. That's an amazing thing. So thank you for that. Something that we see here is the card slot and the Type-C. I just love it that everything these days is with Type-C, so I usually charge this drone with my smartphone charger, which is an amazing thing. Thank you guys, all brands, DJI, Samsung, and all the rest that I'm using, Lenovo, Dell, and are using the Type-C connector in order to charge it and for file transfers and other things as well. Here you see the key thing here. We have a 4K camera taken out straight out of the Mini 4 Pro, which is also stabilized, so you can enjoy nice 4K videos. So definitely a good camera for a drone that's around or probably under $500. That's a very good camera. So considering the price, a good camera. At the front you have sensors, so it's not going to allow you to crash it directly, and also you have sensors on the bottom. When you land it, you still have sensors, so it measures the proximity when you go down. And yeah, these are the positives that I have about this drone. Now let's talk about the negative stuff. First of all, here is the battery. You have these 2 release buttons about the battery, and here you can see it's fully charged, the green LEDs. So the battery, so in the specifications they claim it can hold its battery around 30 minutes of flight, which I couldn't achieve at all. It's usually under 25 minutes, when a bit windy even under 20 minutes. So please consider that if you're about to purchase a drone and you need a strong battery, probably the Fly More combo pack is for you. But still, the Mini 3 Pro drone that I used to have was much better in this department. It holds around 25 to 30 minutes easily, so the battery is not its strongest point. Another thing that I don't like is the propeller sound that comes out of this drone and the propellers. It's a bit irritating, noisy. There are a lot of reviews out there where you can hear that it's noisier than the Mini 4 Pro, but of course that's something expected. This drone is twice as cheap as the Mini 4 Pro, so we cannot judge too harsh this compact and yet capable and cheap drone. So that is another thing that I don't like. The great thing here is that they keep the price low, especially with the universal remote control. You can use this. I remember back in the days when I bought my first Air 2 drone, they released it with the OcuSync technology, which assured very long coverage, and the distance that you can fly with your drone was like kilometers away under direct connection. But still, don't overestimate your drone. Don't lose out the sight. It's a small drone after all. So yeah, it's great that you can use a couple of drones with one and the same remote control. I don't think that the DJI Flip is still available without the remote control. So I hope they are going to release just the unit itself. So people who already have a drone with this remote control are only going to buy the drone itself, which I already mentioned a couple of times. It is quite affordable and still capable drone. Who would need this drone? Someone that I would recommend this drone to is real estate agents. It's a really very good drone for real estate agents. While it is still very cheap, you're gonna fly at relatively low speed. So even if you crash it into walls, indoors or outdoors, you're gonna be safe with this drone. It's also easy to operate. It's small. It doesn't fall under regulations. So to my friends that are doing real estate business, I already recommended this drone. Pretty good drone for this purpose and easy to use. Then it's the first time drone users, they recommend it because it has the propeller guards, but just like any other DJI drone, it has a lot of safety features. So yeah, it is good for first time, for beginner pilots, drone pilots. And yeah, for casual users just like myself, people who like to capture 4K video, and for different activities like sport events and nature scenes, it is almost perfect. Not perfect, but almost there. But for the price, it's pretty good. So this is my personal opinion about the DJI Flip. For now, I think it's a good drone, especially for its price. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you later.